If you want to know your builder, have a look at his attention to detail. With this house, the first thing I noticed were the windows to the garage. Not only are they visually pleasing, but very practical too. Then we get to the front door, completely shielded from the elements, and such a pretty front door. And lastly, the green lawns already in before you've even bought the house. From the moment we came in through the front door, I was impressed by how spacious this house is. And then we got to the kitchen and I realized it is luxurious with solid granite tops. It is neat with crisp white cabinetry, and it's practical with a backsplash that goes all the way around. When you come out to the entertainment area, you're greeted by a wide north-facing patio with a built-in braai. It's big enough for the whole family and some friends too. This is not just any beach house. It could be your beach house. All it's waiting for is for you to call us, come and view, and make it yours.